Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Nate from Mindful Peace Journey, and this is your time to gently awaken your body and mind. You can begin your day with warmth, comfort, and positivity, open to all the possibilities. And so, as you get started with this day, let yourself get comfortable. You may want to sit up on the edge of a chair. Just bring your shoulders gently back. Just notice your entire body in the space you are in. Feel free to soften your gaze or gently close your eyes. Just take some nice, slow, deep breaths in and exhale. Another deep breath in and out. Continuing to breathe comfortably and naturally. Maybe putting in one of those deep breaths every once in a while. And each time you exhale, just imagine a calming energy filling your entire body. Resting your muscles, but filling yourself with energy for a focused and productive day. As you continue to wake up and get yourself comfortable, imagine a gentle warmth touching your entire body. Feel rays of sunshine on you, spreading all the way through your arms and legs. Feel that energy spread all throughout you. Feel the warmth of sunlight on your face. Your body is welcoming the day. The energy is flowing throughout you, bathing you in light, reminding you of all the possibilities that this day could bring. And you are ready to receive them. As you go into this day, allow your thoughts to be open. Welcome ideas and listen intently to everyone you come across. Allow yourself to be a beacon of light for others. Maintain a calm stillness, even in stressful moments. You always have that guiding light, that compass within you that will bring you to the right decision. Your confidence will make others want to listen and let you lead them forward. You believe in the power and bravery that you hold. You can do this. Join me now for these 4 simple affirmation statements. Repeating after me. I greet this day with calm. I am open to all the possibilities. I am capable and I am enough. I carry the light of positivity within me. Awesome. Let these words settle deeply within you, just like that warmth of the morning sun. And in a moment, it is time to go into your day. You can begin by bringing small movements back to your body. Start to move your toes and fingers. Roll your shoulders a bit. Bend your neck. Take one final deep breath in and exhale, filling yourself with that warm energy, that warm glow. If your eyes are still closed, gently open them up and go into your morning, carrying that comforting peace within you. Open for wherever the day takes you.